And welcome in, everybody. My name is Chris, and my channel is YouTube After 50. As you can see, I go by the name of Papa Squatch. Love everything Bigfoot. But today, what I'm doing for you is I'm going to go over 8 simple steps for beginners in order to make yourself your first YouTube video. So follow along. A lot of it will be text on the screen. I won't be in a lot of the video, but you'll hear my voice. So let me know what you think, and like and subscribe if you want to, and there'll be more to come. Okay, let's get started with the beginner's guide. 8 simple steps to make your first YouTube video. Number 1, find yourself a notepad. And what you're going to do is you want to make an outline on your notepad. You want to put bullet points on there. You want a beginning, you want a middle area, and you want your ending. And you just want to jot down topics that you want to talk to your audience about. And this will keep you on task. It will help you stay focused and remember what it is that you're going to be speaking on. I do my videos in segments like this, and it's going to save you a lot of time in the editing stage. Step number 2, choose where you're going to be making your video. Now, if you've got like a nice outdoor setting, doesn't really have to be nice. Any outdoor setting works. People choose to walk with their selfie stick, recording the back of their yard, maybe their fenced area. You may not want to put your house in the video if you're not comfortable with doing that, but I have a few acres of land, so I've got an outdoor area. If I decide to, I can go out there and record. I have a patio out front. Anywhere that you feel really comfortable setting, because outdoors is going to have very good lighting and you won't need to have any extra equipment out there to record yourself. You can set on your porch swing if you like. That will come across real genuine because you're relaxed. It's like you're talking to your neighbor. Or if you want to, you can sit in your living room, cozy up on your couch, as if you've got company over, and just carrying on a conversation with the person across the room. That's exactly how you want things to flow. You want to have a nice, warm, inviting atmosphere in there. A lot of people do it at their kitchen table also. If you feel more comfortable doing that, just have your little tripod set up there, or set your camera up on the table where it can record you clearly, and just choose the space that you're most comfortable in. And I'm going to tell you is just be yourself. Get as comfortable as possible and be genuine. It's okay if you stumble or misspeak. It's okay. That's what people love, and it keeps them coming back to your channel. Step number 3, cell phone setup. Now, this is very important. You need to take your phone and you need to go into your camera settings or your storage settings and make sure that you've got enough storage in there to where when you record your videos, because remember, they're going to be about 8, 10, 12 minutes, 15, maybe 20 minutes in length. Just depends on how comfortable you are with talking about what it is that you want to speak to your audience about. You want to make sure your camera settings are set up properly, and you also want to make sure that your phone is charged. Now, last thing you want to do is start recording a video, and you're 10 minutes into it, 20 minutes into it, and you get up to go grab your phone, and lo and behold, your phone is dead. It died. It's out of power. Then you got to do it all over again, and that might make you a little bit frustrated. So want to make sure that your cell phone is fully charged, you got the camera settings right, the storage is available, and be ready to go. Number 4, deciding on what device you will be recording on. Now, I suggest that you use your cell phone to start. If you've got a digital camera that works on your PC, or if you've got a laptop, that will work great also. Make sure that you clean the lens on your camera on your cell phone. Trust me, you don't want to record an entire video, and then when you upload it and start looking at it on your PC, you're looking at it like, what is that on the screen? And winds up it's a finger smudge or something that got on your camera, dust, anything like that. So make sure that you clean it off. Now, I suggest that you get your camera set up by using a tripod if you can. You may already have one if you own a camera in the past. I will drop a link in the video. I purchased a tripod stand with some lights and an auto tracking device on it off of Amazon, and I will leave a link down there and share that with you if you'd like to. It was $50 and it works great. You want to make sure that whatever you use, that it's very stable and that your phone's not going to rock back and forth and have a lot of vibration or anything like that. You don't want it to like suddenly tilt and fall over while you're recording, because then you get to start over. I will also tell you that I have used I went to my pickup truck and I got my cell phone holder out of my pickup truck. It has a suction cup holder that goes onto the windshield. So it has a long arm on it. It's bendable, curvable. I actually use that in the beginning, and I use it in my, this is my wife's workout room where I'm videoing currently. And we have a nice window. It's got a lot of sunlight that comes in. I stuck that puppy right up there on the window, hooked the camera in it, did a few test videos to make sure the area that I'm filming looks good and that it was stable. And that's where I recorded my first few videos up. So you can also set it up on your countertop if you want, set up a couple of books, maybe put a towel of some sort to hold it up. Just make sure that is not in view of the camera, when you're viewing it. You may want to set it up, on your kitchen table. You can set it up on your coffee table if you want. But that works out great also. Number 5, lighting. Lighting is very important. Make sure that you can use as much natural light as possible. As I said in step 4, I use a window in my workout room, and I get lots of sunlight that comes in. I also have a small lamp set up that gives me a little light, and I have the 2 LED lights that are on my tripod that I got. So as much natural light as you can. If you can video outside, you don't have to worry about lighting whatsoever. And be nice, people can see the outdoors. You'll feel better, it's cleaner air out there. So just make sure you have a real good lighting and test that out whenever you do a test video when you get the camera set up. Number 6, now it's time to make a test run. Turn on your camera and just record the area that you're sitting in, standing in, wherever it might be, indoors or outdoors. Talk out loud to test your microphone, and then you want to, walk over and grab your camera, hit the stop button. The video will automatically come up on your screen, or it should. Choose it, hit playback, turn your volume up and listen to it. Look at it, listen to it. Don't critique it too bad. Basically, you just want to make sure that your body is as close to being in center of frame as possible. You don't want to cut off the top of your head. You don't want to be down, too low. Also where your head's down low in the frame. And make sure the sound quality is there and is good, and it's not too loud. And make sure everything in your background area that you want looks good where it's at. If you like where your bookcase is sitting behind you, if something looks too cluttered, something like that, just kind of straighten it up and make the area look more appealing to the viewers, because that's what they're going to be seeing as they're watching you. They're going to be looking past you also, and they're going to see everything that's in the background of it. So you want to make sure that you're centered in the screen as good as possible and that you can hear it very good. And If you're happy with the test run, you're ready to go. Number 7, avoid interruptions. This probably should have been maybe step 4 or 5, because basically what you need to do is you need to take your cell phone out and you need to go into your settings and you need to put it on airplane mode or put it on the do not disturb mode, because what you don't want to happen is you're recording your video and boom, your phone rings and it distracts you and causes you to forget about what you're talking about. You can be 10 minutes into your video and phone rings, your wife's calling, your husband's calling, your daughter's calling, and oh no, I can't remember where I was. And you get to start all over again, and it can be frustrating. So this will keep your video recording, from being interrupted. You don't want calls, you don't want text. It'll keep you focused. You'll stay in the zone while you're recording. Also, you probably want to let your spouse or your significant other know that you need a little quiet time to, in your office, in your living room, outdoors. Might want to make sure the dog is locked up and is not going to run out there and start barking at you if you're sitting outside, or it runs outside and chases a squirrel or what have you. Who knows? Anything's possible, but the least amount of distractions works out best for you because it keeps you focused and keeps you on task, and you won't have to start that video all over again because it will get a little frustrating when you have to do that. Number 8, it's go time. What I want you to do is I want you to get you a glass of water or whatever your favorite beverage is, bring it into the area where you're about to be recording. Get you a few swigs of that drink. Take several deep breaths. Clear your mind a little bit. Breathe in, breathe out, okay? And then I want you to walk over to that cell phone, hit that record button, walk back over there and sit down and just let it roll. You're gonna stumble. You're going to feel very awkward. That's perfectly fine. Everybody does. Trust me. Everybody gets nervous. Everybody spits out words that you don't even understand. I've done it. You just want to speak as if you're talking to your neighbor. Like I said earlier, like your neighbor's sitting across from you at the kitchen table or sitting at the end of the couch. If you talk to your coworkers a lot at work or what have you. Heck, you might even want to bring your pet into the room. And if it's a cat or a dog and it wants to sit over there and sleep, you can just talk to that animal, talk to it. And as if you were, calling it in for dinner or what have you, or if you're just playing with the dog, just be as genuine as possible. Trust me, you're going to pop out words, and but the words that come out that you may stumble over or stutter, it brings a lot of realness to your video, and the people on the other end, they're going to get a good laugh out of it. They're going to know you made a mistake, but they're going to be like, wow, he's a real person. This isn't all fabricated. They find it very entertaining and genuine. So that's what keeps them coming back for more though. So it's time to get to it. I hope you're able to use the 8 simple steps for beginners in order to make your first YouTube video. And be sure and check back on my channel because my next video is going to be about how to choose your software for beginners for editing.